How to find your Telegram user ID. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're looking for your Telegram user ID or username, I'll show you how you can do it. The process is same for both iPhone and Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, your username is displayed under your name and starts with @. However, this is different from your Telegram user ID. So to find your Telegram user ID, simply tap on Contacts, and now in this interface, simply tap on the search icon shown in the top right side of the screen. Now use the search bar to look for Raw Data Bot and select the second result, and here in the chat section simply tap on Start and the bot will instantly display your user ID, and to copy it simply tap and hold the number and then select copy, and that's it. Now you know where to find your Telegram user ID. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.